All right, so FC Porto 1, Juventus 0. Porto strike first. Very, very bad mistake. Crazy error by the defender there, and miscommunication between the defender and the goalkeeper, and led to an early goal. But what I do know that is the stage is really set for Cristiano Ronaldo. These are the situations that Ronaldo loves to play in, and going down a goal behind early, coming back, scoring two or three goals, scoring a hat-trick would really get him pumped up. So I think that this stage is now set for Cristiano Ronaldo. But if Porto can hold this on, maybe. Well, really and truly, my prediction was actually FC Porto 2, Juventus 0. Normally, I use reverse psychology. So whichever teams that I assume that, or would I say, I would state that is going to win. Normally, they're the team who's actually lost the game. So I had a 2-0 prediction for Juventus. So normally, it would actually go the other way around. But let's see if that can happen. But the stage is set for Cristiano Ronaldo. Let's see if he can deliver.